Return of material retained in another department. In libraries with departments, the librarian may allow a member to return material on loan to another library department. In school libraries, it is possible to return textbook fund material in all departments. However, if a member of the textbook fund department returns material that was on loan in other departments, for example, in the library department or the branch department, the material in the material records of the textbook fund department will be given the status B, retained. Let's see an example. You are logged in to the textbook fund department. The member is returning the material. Most of the material was on loan from the textbook fund department, and 2 copies were on loan from the library department. Let's use the return shortcut and start scanning the material. When you encounter material that has not been on loan from the textbook fund department, a message window opens. If you do not want to return the material in the textbook fund department, select Cancel. If you still want to return the material, select it and confirm the selection. You receive a warning that the material must be returned to the department where it was loaned, i.e. the library department, as soon as possible. Continue with the scanning. You have scanned all the material. A copy that was on loan from a library department and returned to the textbook fund department is deleted from the member's list of recorded material in the department where the member borrowed it. This material receives the status B, retained, in the material records of the department where it was returned. In your case, this is the textbook fund department. Material with status B is not available for loan until it is returned to the department where it was originally loaned. If you want to loan such material to another member, you will receive the following notification. Now in the Loan module, in the Department Content set, find the Textbook Fund department, use the Card button, and return the retained material. Now you can lend this material to another member.